Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Rhaenyra build video, and this is probably going to be one of the last build with me type videos for a while because I have a convention coming up, C2E2, like I mentioned in my other videos, that I'm going to have to wear Rhaenyra at. So I'm getting her to the point to where I can wear her out, and yeah, like I said in the other videos, this is a build upon me project, so don't worry, there's a lot of content coming. But for now, we're going to work on the cuffs, which I have cut right here. And this is what they look like on, Rhaenyra specifically. So here is a wonderfully pixelated picture of the cuff. Let's just go find a better one. Aha, okay. So we have a pointed end up here. The sleeves will be hemmed to about 3/4 length sleeve. And we have the same type of trim that we have up at the top parts of the shoulder points on the sleeves. Now, I think in the show, I do think these are bigger dagger beads. Unfortunately, I don't have them, and I'm almost running low with the first round, so we're going to get really creative with these. There is a little section of red. Here, I'll show you. This little section of red that is above the hem of the cuff that I have in the same lining as Rhaenyra's gown, and of course this cuff fabric right here is the same fabric, matte black fabric, as the upper part details on the chest. So yeah, so tonight I'm going to build the cuffs plural, and then we're going to result back to our hand stitching, and we're going to add in this trim with the dagger beads, and then we're going to put the tiniest little bit of gold square beads in a zigzag, not zigzag, but I don't know what's this called, in a linear pattern all the way up the cuff. So it's pretty simple, not too crazy, which I kind of absolutely love because I'm getting to where I just want to wear the dress now. I need a little bit of a break. So let's build up the cuffs and start adding in the beads. Here are the cuffs, flat with some edge stitching. Here is the trim that we're going to be top stitching on and adding the dagger beads to. These look really nice. I love that little bit of red pop. The cuffs are on, but I forgot something. I thought I was done, but it turns out I forgot the little beads that go all along the cuff as well. So I'm gonna have to add those on. But she looks great though.